Hey honeycrunchers, it's me Jham and welcome in another nail art tutorial here in honeycrunch321. My inspiration for today's nail art is the album art or the album cover of Taylor Swift's newest album, Lover. Let's start off by applying a base coat to my nail. I'm using my favorite peel-off base coat. After letting it dry, I'm applying another. It's totally up to you if you want to double coat your base coat. I'm just doing this because that's the way I like it. Now that it's dry, I'm applying a white nail polish for my base. And I also applied liquid latex around the skin of my nails for an easy cleanup. Then I'm applying a sky blue shade, pastel pink, and some light nude shade onto a cosmetic sponge. Then I'm dabbing it onto my nail. Repeat painting and dabbing until you reach the full opacity you wanted. Then after that, do the cleanup. Now let's apply a thick coat of top coat to smoothen and blend in all the colors of the gradient. Then let's proceed on painting a heart on my ring nail. But before proceeding on painting, make sure it's 100% dry. I'm using a white acrylic paint in painting the heart. But if you're confident on painting, you can proceed on painting it with a reddish pink glittery nail polish. So after that, I painted the heart with a reddish pink glittery nail polish. Now on my thumbnail, I'm painting the word lover. And then I painted it with a reddish pink glittery nail polish. And after letting that all to dry, I applied a thick coat of glossy top coat. And there you guys have it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Which song from the album Lover do you like best? Leave it below. Don't forget to hit like, share this video to your awesome friends, and subscribe. And kindly follow me on Instagram. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!